on yet another impeachment trial. The third one.
Well, finally it's happening. After 2 years na hindi natuloy, and finally it's happening. That we have the wheels of accountability now running. This is due process, this is about justice, this is about accountability, and the whole country would be watching. And the prosecution is excited. The prosecution has asked for divine guidance actually to be able to perform its job effectively, efficiently, and successfully.
Okay. Pero sorry po if I have to ask this question. Ano ho isasagot nyo dun sa mga magsasabi na ayan si De Lima gusto lang niyang gumanti sa mga Duterte?
Wala po sa isipan ko ang pagkaganti. Para sa akin, iniisip ko rin yung mga mahalagang prinsipyo ng pananagutan. Katotohanan, justisya, at pananagutan. That's the farthest from my mind. Sa lahat po na ginagawa ko, never ko po yan na iniisip.
Eh, yung mga nagsasabi ko na this is all about 2028, ma'am. Para pigilan si Sara Duterte from running in 2028.
This is again about accountability. Wala ko dapat dito yung tungkol sa politika. Wala ko dapat yung mga ganyan ng mga pag-iisip na para pigilan siya. Hindi po ito ang layunin ng prosecution. Hindi po ito ang layunin ng proseso na ito, kundi accountability. Did she betray the public trust? That's the key question.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yung smoking gun, is the BIR box the smoking gun or parang second envelope in the Joseph file?
Well, hindi po natin masasabi pa rin I cannot be stating an opinion or comment on that because that already goes into the next.
And what is your expectation in this one? Medyo the DP state of